What is up everyone, welcome to Team WS channel, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix calling speaker or air speaker not working problem in your Samsung Galaxy F42 or F42 5G. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Galaxy F42 or F42 5G air speaker problem, simply first of all just tap on settings icon and go to settings and follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.